Okay, so we're back to the VW mini bike. It had some flaws when we picked it up. The chain would come right off because the motor had rubber motor mounts. So we removed them and mounted it solid. Adjusted the chain. It seems to be working good now. And the other problem was the weight sits so far back on it that it just wanted a wheelie. And we want people to be able to ride it at some car shows this season coming up and not wheelie and maybe hit a show car or crash or damage it. So we put a thumb throttle on it. It's got an adjuster screw. We turned it way down because this has a 212cc Predator motor. Not high horsepower, but way too much for this little mini bike. So we're going to try it out again, and to clear some other things up, these are just foot pegs. I lean it over on the foot peg. It doesn't have a kickstand. We want it to be streamlined and clean, so we don't want a kickstand on it. This works pretty good. It seems solid. You can't really knock it over. So we're going to just use the foot pegs as a kickstand. Let's see if it'll ride. Keep an eye out at car shows this season. We'll have the pinup girls riding it.